Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and Apple finally released iOS 27 public beta. This is typically when they say it's okay to try it on your main device, but there's some steps I wanted to walk you through, not only to install it, but also some things you should know before you install it. Now, the first thing is, before we do anything, we want to make a backup. There's a couple different ways you can do this. One is by going into your settings, tapping your name at the top here, then go into iCloud, and within iCloud, you want to make sure you do a backup. It will let you know if you need a backup. Go into this and make sure you back up now. Now, if you don't use iCloud, you can actually do this usually on a Windows computer using iTunes or on a Mac using the Finder. But make sure you have a backup, because once you go up to iOS 27, if you want to get any of your data back and downgrade, you won't be able to do that without actually having some sort of backup ready to go. So just make sure that you have that before you start. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and sign up for the public beta. You'll do that by going into Safari and going to beta.apple.com. On beta.apple.com, scroll down, and if you already have an Apple account, you can simply sign in, or you can tap on Sign Up. Now, once you've signed in or signed up, scroll down here and you'll see actually under Get Started, it says Enroll Your iOS Device. Tap on it, then we'll go to the next page where again, it's letting you know to archive a backup, or again, it's very important to have that backup, and then turn on beta updates. You can tap Open Beta Updates, or you can go right into your settings now once you've enrolled and turn it on yourself seamlessly. So we'll do that. We'll go into our settings, then we'll go to General and Software Updates. Wait just a moment here and you'll see beta updates. Tap on beta updates, and now you can actually select from the public beta that you want to try out. So if you tried out previous ones, this will already be there. But if you want the public beta, just tap on the public beta. If you're a developer, you could choose that as well. Once you go back to the main software update page, it should show you the latest beta. If it's not showing, go ahead and pull down and refresh, and you should see it here. So once you install this, it may be as big as 25.71 gigabytes. It's a fairly large update. It will take up more storage along with Apple Intelligence and Siri AI features as well. Now, once you've installed the update, you're good to go. You can use it from here on out, but just keep in mind it's a beta and it will typically have some bugs from time to time. Generally, it's been pretty stable. There's some huge improvements in it, but you want to make sure that if you're having issues that you report those to Apple. You can also see a current list of issues in the release notes. So if we go into the Feedback app, we'll scroll over here. You should have a new app, whether that's in your app library or on your home screen, called Feedback. Go into that app. Once you're within the Feedback app, go into Recent Activity, and you'll see all of the latest updates here. Now, they may not always have all the notes, but check the notes here from time to time, or different notices from Apple, and you can see anything that they're really aware of that they're working on. But if you are having an issue, you can simply report it using this icon down here in the bottom right. Go into this, and then it says, where would you like to start new feedback? We're using iOS, go into that, and then you can select different topics, whether it's crashing, maybe you're having issues with email or something else, report it here, battery life, or anything else. Then typically Apple will look at it, and based on importance, of course, and severity, they'll look at it and sometimes even ask you for additional information. As far as what else to expect, well, expect 4 to 5 more betas or so for the public release or before the public release, and the public release is typically around mid-September, around the next iPhone launch. So that's usually what we'll see. Probably we'll see an update within a week or two, then we'll have another update a week after that, and so on, with additional features, bug fixes, and more. So enjoy trying it out. Of course, report feedback, and again, make sure you have that backup and try it out for yourself. Let me know how it's going for you in the comments below, and of course, I'll link this wallpaper in the description like I normally do. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.